Hi guys, once again welcome to my channel Technical Issue. Today's topic is how to make YouTube intro. Let's start in. First we have to go to Play Store and search intromaker. After that this app will come. You can search and get it and install it, download. After downloading I will show. I give this link in description. I will show now. This home screen is like this and I make a editing and you can see I make this. We have to download. After downloading I will show you, and here the thank you for watching the given outer intro it is, and I will show inner intro. Here so many are there. Here I take this one, I downloaded already. After that here come this like title. Have to make this like here second option you can change color. Next this will make your title background. Also see here on. See right. It's good now. Right. Next I will show you second title, what we have to write title and how it have to come. See like this, or like this. Tap to edit. I take this one and I write here technical issue. Right, and choose color. It's came right, and this you can see here more are there. Here are so many. You can make Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Gmail account icon also. Right. Next I remove this. I will delete here. Next sticker. Here are the sticker of subscription. See here. I taken this. It's loading. Bell icon. Like up 2000. And subscribe. See here are so many are there. I will wait. And music are so many. Intro, first one I downloaded this, you can listen. You click on plus means it will take music. Right, and this I take on subscription. I show you some all. Subscribe, click bell icon is there. Next see like, subscribe, bell icon. I will show you next some other. It's like made for YouTube only. Here I come. I show you bell icon. I will show you subscribe. Right. Subscribe. You can keep this in intro. See a subscribe came. Here came. I take now bell icon. Bell icon. Right. Next another sticker. Here subscribe. It came. And you can watch here. There are so many. Bell icon. Right. Once time I play and show you. It's awesome. And pictures. Here the YouTube pictures, like, subscribe. Here are so many pictures. Like this video, comment and share. Thank you for watching.